Hi everyone. As you can see here, it's AnomaVision. We have a new, let's see, GUI which is simplified and implemented by Ping, which is implementing this GUI and it's somehow optimized. So I will just show you now a short demo about this, how to run this. So for instance, we are here in this the GUI. Of course, you have to activate the env environment. Now just type this. So as you can see here, we have training, inference, export, all from here. It's the same, and if you are here, for instance, in the inference, it will be jumping to the inference or export. So let's start with training. This is already a default path, and of course you can identify your path from here, browse. This is the class name that we are using for the Visa PyTorch. This is the backbone by size and everything. So it's I think it's clear. And this is the output path. So let's start for the training, and you can see here it's also showing you this progress bar, and also it's showing you here this in the and this one could be also exported to here. Let's see, adding this look in this one here, and also we have, of course, we have a look here. Now after finishing this, now you can see model training is completed, and go to the inference. Uh, just see the model with the model path. Let's see, let's select this one here, and this is the path test. It will take, let's see, a few minutes because it has many images. So, and for the export, you can just after finishing, or maybe you can do it right after the training. You can export the model into, for instance, Onyx, PyTorch, OpenVINO, and also we have our let's see repo. It's able to export to several models. For instance, you can see here PyTorch, Onyx, OpenVINO, Torch RT, and integer quantization. And now it's already finished. So let's go to the inference, and you can see here this is the inference. This is the original image. This is the heat map, and this is the let's say the localization, and this is the same image but just drawing. And you can see this is the next image, next, and I think it's somehow he indeed made it easier for you. And if you like this, please subscribe into my channel, like the video, and also start the repo here. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.